Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei MatePad 11.5 2026 and Oppo Pad Air5. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Oppo Pad Air5 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display, and the Huawei MatePad 11.5 comes with 11.5 inches TFT LCD display. Hardware features. Camera features. Oppo Pad Air5 comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera, and the Huawei MatePad 11.5 comes with 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.